Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to set up two-factor authentication in Gusto. Protecting sensitive payroll and employee data is extremely crucial. Enabling two-factor authentication on Gusto is going to add an extra layer of security to your accounts. So here's how to set it up. Step 1. Go to Account Settings. Now click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the dashboard and then select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 2. Enable two-factor authentication. Now scroll to the security section and then click on set up two-factor authentication. Step 3. You got to choose your two-factor authentication method. Now you're going to be prompted to select an authentication method, either a text message or an authentication app like Google Authenticator or Audi. Now for higher security, the app method is more recommended. Step 4. Verify your method. Now if you choose SMS, you're going to need to enter your phone number as well as to enter the code that's sent via text to verify. But if you choose an app, you're going to need to scan the QR code with your Authenticator app and then enter the 6-digit code that the app provides to confirm. Step 5. Save backup codes. Now after setup, you're going to receive backup codes. Be sure to save these in a secure place. You will need them if you lose access to your phone. Step 6. Confirm activation. Now once verified, two-factor authentication will be active on your account and you will now be prompted for a verification code each time you log in. And that's it. With two-factor enabled, your Gusto account is a lot more secure. And that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one.